Good morning everyone, o kung saan ka mang lupalop ng mundo. Good morning, good morning, good morning sa inyo mga friends, mga friendship here. Today we're going to go holiday in Western Australia. Yan, medyo haggard ako ngayon kasi busy sa pagpapak ng mga gamit. So busy talaga. So ayan, papakita ko sa inyo. Okay, ayan guys, ready to go na kami. Nakakabit na yung sasakyan namin sa caravan. So, ayan, pakita ko sa inyo. Mini hotel on the road. Hello. Hi guys. Dito na po kami sa Wubin Rocks. It's 3 hours from Perth. 3 hours drive from Perth and then 265 kilometers. Right, long way. So yan, ito na po yung setup namin. Ayan, magka-camping kami dyan. Kami lang nandito kasi ako sa taas. Yan, caravan namin. So, may big rock dito. That's a big rock. Ayan, nakapaikot sa amin is wildflower. Siguro nagtataka kayo kung bakit ako may net, kasi ang daming langaw dito. This is Australia, so it's a lot of flies. That's why I have a net to protect the flies. Dami-daming langaw. Ayan, kaso medyo lanta na siya kasi na-late kami magpunta dito. Dapat August, fresh pa siya ito. Ayan guys, yung setup namin. So one night stop over here. Ayan, ang daming langaw. Ayan. Sobrang dami. So annoying. Nakakairita. Here we go guys. I wanna show you our mini hotel on the road. What's inside our caravan. So here, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano ang mga nandito sa aming caravan. So here. So, ayan yung bed namin. Our bed. And there is a cupboard there, which put our clothes on. That's for UN. And that's all. That one there is lagayan din ng damit. Mine and Sean. And then there we go. Meron kaming sink. And then here is a bin. And then
I still know how to video now.
meron kaming lounge. And yan, lagayan ng kung ano-ano dito. Covered, flight, glass. Yan, dito kami kumakain. Yan, may sopa kami. And then, yan, my fridge. Microwave. Ito, lutuan. And Yan, covered naman dito. Lagayan ng mga salt. Milo, sugar, and milk. Yan. So, may oven din. Yan, oven. And then, lagayan ito, covered dito. Lagayan ng kawali. Lagayan ng kawali. Ang mga ano. Caldero. Then, ito, we have a bin there. And here. And then, toilet. Toilet. May cupboard din dyan. And may sink. Toilet. And shower. Then, Sean bed here.
I'll go inside now because
Sean bed.
Bye. Friends. There's not much for my friends here, so I'm just going inside.
Ayan, may TV din kami. Sa loob ng caravan.
Yay, dance, Johnny. Yay.
I'm gonna get my wine.
Dance, Mummy. Your turn, Mummy. Whose chick is this one, Jill? Whose chick is this one here?
That's yours, Daddy.
Yeah. Is that Johnny's? You gonna eat it? So this is the way you heat. You don't heat over the flame, you get smoke for like... Jules, this is your pick, Jules. Is that video, Sheila?
What are you doing, Claire? No!
Okay, ngayon guys, gumagawa si Sean ng Vegemite and cheese.
Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? Why am I supposed to do this?
Ayan. Gumagawa siya ng Vegemite and cheese sandwich. Vegemite is Australian. Australian palaman.
I'm gonna make a sandwich of this.
And cheese, yeah. Okay.
No! What? I just was gonna
Sheila,
make a
we'll do that when I do
Yeah.
Why am I
Okay
doing
guys, that's all for today. And if you like the video, please
It's not done! It's not done!
don't forget to subscribe
It's not done!
and like my video and put a comment down below. Thank you so much.
It's not done!